Tired of the little chores that keep piling up around the house? These genius home devices are designed to handle your daily tasks for you, making cleaning, organizing, and everyday routines feel a whole lot easier. If you want a smarter home that does more of the work for you, you're in the right place. All products are linked in the description below. A robot vacuum that can actually pick things up? Meet this one. It has a real mechanical arm that moves obstacles, lifts small items, and even organizes stray socks or tissues off the floor before cleaning around them. At just over 3 inches tall, it slides easily under furniture most vacuums can't reach. With 22,000 pascals of suction, it lifts dirt and debris from any surface, and hot water mopping breaks down tough, dried-on stains. Smart sensors help it recognize over 100 types of objects, so it moves confidently around cords, furniture legs, and clutter without getting stuck. Back at its dock, it washes and dries its own mop, empties its own dustbin, and refills its own water, giving you weeks of hands-free cleaning. It's not just a vacuum, it's a helper that thinks ahead. Ever think about what's actually living on your toothbrush? This little case takes care of that. It uses UV light to wipe out 99.99% of grime, so every brush is genuinely clean, not just rinsed off. It fits regular toothbrushes and electric brush heads alike, so the whole family can use one. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for tucking into a suitcase or gym bag when you're on the move. A strong magnetic back lets you mount it right on the bathroom wall at home, then pop it off when it's time to travel. Simple to use, easy to bring anywhere, and one less thing to worry about. Clean toothbrush wherever you are. Wrinkled clothes don't stand a chance against this one. It heats up in just 30 seconds and blasts out powerful steam to smooth out even stubborn creases fast. Use it as a traditional iron or hold it vertical to steam clothes right on the hanger, whatever's easier. A detachable tank gives you 40 minutes of steaming before a refill, and 3 steam levels let you match the heat to the fabric, from delicate silk to heavy linens. When you're done, it hangs neatly on a wall hook, so it never clutters your space. Safety features like auto shutoff and a cool touch base mean you can use it worry-free. It even cleans itself, keeping performance strong over time. Ironing made fast and painless. Why touch a dirty trash lid when you don't have to? This bin opens with a simple wave of your hand, keeping things hygienic and mess-free. A smooth, quiet motor lifts and lowers the lid gently. No slamming, no fuss. The stainless steel finish resists fingerprints and smudges, so it always looks freshly wiped down. Its clever no-liner design gives you 25% more space to fill before it's time to take it out. Powered by regular AA batteries, it runs for up to 8 months before needing a change. Stylish, practical, and one less thing to touch in your kitchen. A simple upgrade that makes a real difference every day. Scrubbing on your knees is a thing of the past. This spin scrubber extends from just over a foot to nearly 4.5 feet, so it bends and reaches into corners, under furniture, or up near the ceiling without you straining a muscle. Strong motor torque powers through soap scum, mineral buildup, and grime that normally takes real elbow grease. It comes with 8 different brush heads, so whether it's a bathtub, tile, or glass, there's a tool built for it. Speed controls sit right on the handle, so you never have to bend down mid-clean. It's fully waterproof, so rinsing it off is effortless, and a smart display keeps you updated on battery life. Deep cleaning without the aching back. Cleaning windows from the outside just got a lot less scary. This little robot climbs your glass and does the scrubbing for you. Strong suction keeps it locked on tight, while a built-in system applies real pressure, like actual manual scrubbing, to lift stuck-on grime. A misting feature keeps the glass wet as it works, and it covers a good stretch of window before needing a refill. Smart sensors help it map the window and clean in an efficient path, reaching edges and corners regular robots often miss. If the power ever cuts out, a backup battery keeps it stuck to the glass for up to 30 minutes, and a safety rope adds extra peace of mind. It's quiet, lightweight, and works on flat or slightly curved glass, from big windows to shower doors. Sparkling windows without the ladder. Mopping the old way just pushes dirt around. This one actually washes your floors. 2 motorized rollers soaked in absorbent microfiber lift spills, hair, and dried-on stains at the same time, no suction needed. One tank covers over 3,100 square feet, so you're not stopping every few minutes to refill. It glides easily around furniture and gets low enough to reach the awkward spots regular mops miss. Choose from 3 hydration levels depending on the mess, from a light spill to something stubborn stuck to the floor. An LCD screen keeps you posted on runtime and maintenance, so there's no guessing. And when you're done, it cleans itself in under 2.5 minutes, ready to go again. Floors that actually feel clean, not just swept. Cooking for a crowd shouldn't mean cooking in shifts. This air fryer stacks 2 baskets on top of each other, so you can cook 4 different foods at the same time, in a fraction of the counter space. Each basket works independently, meaning your fries can crisp up while your chicken roasts at a totally different setting. A built-in smart thermometer takes the guesswork out of doneness, cooking meat to exactly the level you want. Removable racks let you cook on 2 levels inside each basket, so hot air wraps around your food from every angle. With 10 quarts of space, it's big enough to feed a family of 8, and it handles 6 different cooking styles, from air frying to baking to dehydrating. More food, less waiting, way less mess. Chopping vegetables by hand takes forever. This machine does it in seconds. It processes up to 330 pounds an hour, about 10 times faster than cutting by hand. Just switch between blades to get slices, julienne strips, or diced cubes, whatever your recipe calls for. It's built with a sturdy aluminum body and stainless steel blades, so it holds up to heavy daily use. A quiet, efficient motor keeps it running smoothly even during long prep sessions, whether that's a home kitchen or a busy restaurant. It's a great fit for anyone who preps vegetables often and wants to skip the tedious part. Less time chopping, more time cooking. No space for a full-size dryer? No problem. This compact machine dries up to 9 clothing items in as fast as 50 minutes, using a mix of heat and airflow to get the job done quickly. It's small enough for tiny apartments, RVs, or even a weekend camping trip, and light enough to move wherever you need it. A built-in LED UV feature adds an extra layer of cleanliness to every load. It runs quietly, so you can dry a load without disrupting the whole house, and a built-in timer lets you set exactly how long you need. Perfect for those in-between loads when the big dryer feels like overkill. Small machine, big convenience. Drying clothes doesn't need to eat up your entire balcony. This wall-mounted clothesline stays hidden until you need it, then pulls out to a full 15.7 feet in seconds. A built-in locking mechanism keeps the line tight even under a full load. No sagging, no clothes dragging on the ground. 5 stainless steel clips hold everything securely in place so nothing blows away or bunches up. When laundry day is over, it snaps right back into the wall and disappears completely. Bring a little retro magic to your messages. This split flap display makes every update feel like an event. Post quotes, reminders, or greetings, and watch the letters flip into place with satisfying precision. Control it from your phone or laptop, no matter where you are. It's stylish, durable, and turns any wall into a conversation piece. Why row in silence when you can row with a view? This smart rowing machine comes with a massive rotating HD screen that streams live and on-demand workouts. You'll feel like you're gliding on water thanks to its smooth magnetic resistance system. The padded seat, adjustable straps, and low-stress handle keep you comfortable while you push through. When you're done, it stores upright to save space. Craving a golden, melty grilled cheese? This double-sided sandwich pan cooks from both sides for even heat and crispy perfection in just minutes. Lock the handles, flip it, and your breakfast, toasty, or omelet is ready before you know it. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and the detachable design is great for camping or small kitchens. Quick, tasty, and easy, right on your stovetop. Meet the speaker that turns any space into a concert. With dual woofers and passive radiators, you get bass so deep you can feel it. 40 watts of powerful hi-fi sound wrapped in sleek metallic design. Waterproof, durable, and ready for anything. Beach, pool, or party. 20 hours of playtime means the music never stops. And with TWS pairing, you can double the power for 360 degrees immersive sound. This isn't just a speaker, it's an experience. Why settle for a regular coffee table when this one chills your drinks too? 2 refrigerated drawers handle different temperature zones, so you can keep snacks cool on one side and drinks ice cold on the other, all set with an easy digital panel. Party time calls for sound, and this table delivers with 20-watt speakers that sync colorful lights to the beat. Set your phone on the glass tabletop and it charges wirelessly, while USB and Type-C ports along the side keep everyone's devices powered up. Sliding dividers let you organize snacks and drinks however you like. It runs whisper quiet under 25 decibels, and the glass top wipes clean in seconds. It's effortless, modern living right in your living room. Cooking doesn't have to mean a messy countertop. This silicone rest holds spoons, spatulas, tongs, even pot lids, all in one tidy spot. The wide drip pad catches spills, keeping your stove clean while you work. Why sit still when you could be burning calories at the same time? This compact elliptical slides right under your desk and quietly keeps your legs moving while you work, watch TV, or scroll your phone. It runs on its own motor, so your legs follow along effortlessly, and a small display tracks your speed, calories, and time. 5 speed settings let you dial up the intensity whenever you feel like it. No assembly, no noise, no excuses, just sneak in a workout without ever leaving your chair. Here's a kitchen sink upgrade you didn't know you needed. This 3-in-1 stainless steel drain strainer acts as a plug, filter, and stopper all in one. Just press to trap water or drain it while catching food scraps before they clog your pipes. Its anti-clogging basket keeps things clean without the mess, and it fits most standard sinks, no tools needed. Super easy to clean, and it actually works. Shooting games just got a serious upgrade. This gun-style joystick lets you aim and fire like you're actually holding a weapon. Both handles rotate for realistic motion, and the trigger lets you shoot with satisfying precision. It works with your favorite console shooters and brings a whole new level of immersion. If you've ever wanted to feel like you're in the game, this does it. Imagine turning on your faucet and instantly knowing if the water's hot, warm, or cold, thanks to the built-in LED temperature indicator. This sleek pull-out design gives you 360 degrees flexibility for rinsing, filling, or cleaning awkward spots. The smooth single-handle control makes temperature adjustments effortless, while its durable metal construction keeps it performing for years. Tired of your faucet only pointing one way? This swivel extender gives you full control. With 3 rotating joints, you can aim the water exactly where you need it, no more awkward splashing. Choose between a soft bubble stream for gentle rinsing or a stronger shower spray for scrubbing messes. It even has a built-in filter to catch impurities. Easy to install and fits most sinks right out of the box. Ready to BBQ like a pro without hovering over the grill? This Smartwood Pellet Smoker does it all. Grills, smokes, bakes, and more with authentic wood-fired flavor. Its AI assistant helps you pick recipes, adjusts temps automatically, and keeps everything on track. Whether you're slow smoking ribs or searing steaks, it nails the heat every time. Big capacity, rugged build, and total control right from your phone. If your kid's stuffed animal collection has officially taken over the bedroom, this is your solution. This tall wooden tower corrals all the plushies in one place, stretching 5 feet high with elastic cords that make it easy for little hands to grab and put back toys on their own. Solid pine wood construction means it won't wobble or warp over time, and rounded corners keep it safe for kids running around. 4 swivel wheels with brakes let you roll it to any corner of the room or lock it in place when needed. Tidy room, happy kids, happy parents. Ever wonder what's really hiding in your mattress? This compact gadget zaps dust mites and allergens using UV light, high-frequency vibrations, and powerful suction. One button starts the deep clean, while it gently shakes out the unwanted guests. It's USB-C rechargeable, so you can take it from the bed to the couch to hotel pillows without hassle. Multiple cleaning modes let you treat every fabric just the way it needs. Tired of guessing if your water is clean? This smart faucet filter does the work for you. It removes impurities, chlorine, and tiny particles, giving you fresh, clear water every time. The LED display shows water temperature and filter life, so you know exactly when to change it. Switch easily between filtered and regular water with a simple turn. Quick to install, and it fits most standard faucets with ease. Hot day in the kitchen? This mini portable air cooler brings the chill right where you need it. Using rapid ice mist technology, it cools the air in seconds, perfect for beating the heat while you cook, work, or relax. Choose from 3 airflow levels, from a soft breeze to a powerful blast. Place it on a counter or mount it on the wall without drilling. Compact, quiet, and refreshingly effective. Breathe easier every day. This compact air purifier quietly removes dust, pet dander, smoke, and allergens from your space. Its HEPA-level filter captures even the tiniest particles while reducing odors. Real-time sensors show your air quality improving right on the screen. And with long-lasting filtration, you won't be changing filters every few months. Clean air, low hassle, and peace of mind, all in one sleek design. Cool down and brighten up any room in one smart move. This low-profile ceiling fan fits standard light sockets, so installation is quick and tool-free. The remote lets you adjust fan speed, set timers, and switch between warm, neutral, or cool lighting. Ultra-quiet blades keep air moving without noise, and the foldable design works even in tight spaces. Perfect for bedrooms, patios, or anywhere you want comfort and style in one. This isn't just a coffee table, it's your living room's new best friend. Built with a fridge tucked right inside, it keeps drinks and snacks cool without ever leaving the couch. Play music through the built-in Bluetooth speakers. Charge your devices with wireless or USB ports, and light up the vibe with LED accents that dance to the beat. It even has organized storage in every drawer.